Assalamu alaikum students. Again, I'm Mansur Ali, lecturer of mathematics, Army Public Degree College, Malik Kent. Okay, in exercise through 3.2, there is a question. Question number one, although that it is a general type, just like question number 6, exercise 3.1, this is also a general type. If A is equal to A of ij and the order is 3 by 4, order is 3 by 4 like this. I suppose order is 3, first row, second row, third row, first column. So this is the 3 by 4 order. Okay, then show that I of 3 means identity matrix should be multiplied by this thing, so it will also equal to again the same matrix, that is 8. Okay, now first row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column, first row, fourth column, first row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column, first row, fourth column. Now again, second row, first column, second row, second column, second row, third column, second row, fourth column. This is the thing. And third row, first column, third row, second column, third row, third column, third row, fourth column. This is the thing. Now you can just add all the things, so again you can get the matrix A. So part 2 is the homework. Question number 2, find the inverse of the following matrix. I did it part 3 for you. Part 1, 2, 4, this is the homework because part 3 is in the iota form. So I did it for you in from the iota form. So the same questions part 1, part 2, part 4 you can do it. Okay, now inverse find out करने के लिए what is the formula? That C inverse, for example, if this is a C, so C inverse is adjoint of C and upon determinant of C, and this is from metric class as well. Okay, because it is 2 by 2 matrix. So let C is equal to 2 iota, iota, iota minus iota. How we can find out the determinant? This multiply by this. So 2 iota multiply by minus iota, minus 2 iota square, minus iota multiply by iota, iota square. What is the value of iota square? Minus 1. Okay, minus minus plus, minus minus plus. So 2 plus 1, 3. 3 is not equal to 0. So inverse exists. Why? Because it is a non-singular matrix. If any determinant has a value, means determinant value, then the matrix should be a non-singular matrix, and we can say that the inverse is exist. What is the formula of adjoint of what is the formula of inverse of matrix? If we have 2 by 2, 3 by 3, adjoint of something upon something determined. अब यहाँ पे हमने C suppose किया हुआ, तो adjoint of C upon C determined. अच्छा, adjoint of C, how we can get adjoint of C? Adjoint of C means just changing the place of A and D like this, and change the sign of B and C like this. Okay, this is the adjoint of C. Now C inverse is 1 upon 3 because C, the determinant of C is 3, so 1 upon 3, 1 upon 3, and the adjoint of C is here. Okay, where is 1 comes from? If you multiply this matrix by 1, so you can get this form. Okay, so 1 upon 3 multiply by the whole matrix, so it can come minus iota upon 3, minus iota upon 3, minus iota upon 3 to iota upon, and this is the answer. So you can do easily part 1, part 2, part 4. Okay, solve the following system of linear equations. There are 3 parts, so I did part 1 for you. Part 2, part 3 is the homework. Now part 1, how we can find, although that it is in metric class, it's all about the revision. Part 1, 2, minus 3, 5, 1 like this. This is matrix A, and how many variables are there in the system of equation? Though x1 and x2, and what are the constant? 5, 4. Now you can see that this is matrix A, this is matrix X, and the constant matrix is B. So if I multiply A to there and divide by there, so X is equal to A inverse B. ठीक है. So this is the formula. Okay, x you can find out because x is the x1 x2. You can find out A inverse b. So how you can find out A inverse? Like question number 2. पहले इसका डिटरमिनेंट निकालोगे, फिर उसका एडजॉइंट निकालोगे एंड फार्मूले में वैल्यू पुट करोगे. ओके, सो दिस इज द आंसर ऑफ A inverse and x is equal to inverse b. This is A inverse b. You multiply 1 5 the 5, 3 4 the 12, minus 5 5 the minus 25, 2 4 the 8, then add 17 minus 17, then multiply with the whole matrix 17 upon 17, so 1 minus 1. You can see that this is the order of 2 by 1, again the order of 2 by 1, then this matrix and this matrix can be equal. x1 is equal to 1 and x2 is equal to minus 1. Okay, question number 4. Now you can see that there are 3 matrices, part 1 2 3 4. In every part only you can do subtraction. Okay, subtraction करनी है, बस subtraction करनी आनी चाहिए. आपको मालूम है ना, 1 को 2 से करना है, -1 को 1 से करना है, 2 को -1 से. Now you can see 1 -2 -1 -1 2 +1 3 3 -1 2 -3. This is the thing and you can get the answer. So part 2 part 3 is the homework. Only subtraction you have to do. Okay, leave the part 4 because it is same as part 3. Now question number 5. This is all about two matrices are multiplying with each other. Show that commutative property. Okay, with the multiplication associative property. Sorry, this is associative property. A of B C, then A of B C. Now you can see that if you multiply these two matrices, you can see 1 minus iota is minus iota square, 2 iota multiplied by 2 iota is 4 iota square, iota 1 is iota, 2 iota multiplied by iota is 2 iota square, and same as. So you can get the this value. How? Because what is the value of iota square? -1. Okay, so -1 -4 and -4 plus 1 -3, you can get it. Okay, now this is the answer of AB. Then you can multiply with C. Again the same process, multiplication, because multiplication is very important. Okay, now right hand side. What is right hand side? A bracket BC. So first we have to calculate B multiplied by C like this. Okay, and then what the answer, if whatever the answer you got, just multiply A with this particular answer, and again multiplication, and then you have this thing, and you can see that left hand side is equal to right hand side. So part 2 is the homework, and for the sake of home assignment, chapter 3, as I am home assignment 2, question number 1 part 2, question number 2 part 1, part 2 part 4, question number 3 part 2 part 3, question number 4 part 2 part 3, question number 5 part 2. These questions are same as I did it in this presentation. Okay, but if you have any problem, you can ask me through the WhatsApp. Okay. Any question? If you have any question, you can ask me through the WhatsApp. Thank you for your attention. Allah Hafiz.